Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to import reviews from Aliexpress to your Shopify store in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your Shopify store, and here you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you need to click on this apps section, and here you need to simply search for the app that is called Loox. Now if you are not able to find it over here, you will have to download and install Loox review application for your Shopify store from the Shopify app store. Now once you have successfully downloaded and install it in your device, you need to simply click on the reviews option. Then in the manage rewards, simply click on import reviews. Now over here you will see Aliexpress. So you just have to simply click on Aliexpress, and then it will show you that you can import Aliexpress reviews just like so. For that, you need to simply drag the import to Loox button to your bookmark tab to get started with it. So you need to simply drag it from here, and you need to drop it on your bookmark bar. So once this step is done, you need to simply click on go to Aliexpress, and it will redirect you on Aliexpress, where you will have to simply select the product, the review of which you want to integrate in your Shopify store. And in the top, you will see the extension or this bookmark. So you need to simply click on import to Loox, and it will come in your Shopify store in no time. So if this video helped you out, please like this video, share it with your fellow dropshippers, and subscribe for more quick e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching.